Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 3200 series and the Breville Barista Touch Impress. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, massive. The Philips is around $600, and we're talking over $1,400 for the Breville. So what are we getting for that extra cash?
Well, the Philips is renewed, first off, which explains some of the price difference. It makes 5 coffee types, including iced coffee, which is a big plus for me, and the LatteGo system for milk frothing. Sounds pretty cool.
True, but the Breville has a built-in grinder with 30 grind settings. That's a huge advantage for fresh coffee flavor. Plus, it has assisted tamping, so you get a consistent puck every time.
The Philips does have ceramic grinders that are supposed to last for 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee. And the aroma seal to keep beans fresh. It also has a removable brew group for easy cleaning, which is a must.
Good point about the cleaning. The Breville has a touchscreen, which is fancy, and it offers step-by-step barista guidance. It even has settings for different types of milk, which is neat.
Touchscreen is nice, but do you really need it? The Philips seems simpler, one-button operation. I guess it depends if you want all the bells and whistles.
The Breville is definitely more advanced. It heats up in 3 seconds with its thermojet system, which is super fast, and it has 8 preset drinks you can customize.
Okay, speed is good. The Philips is a bit smaller, though. 17 by 10 by 15 inches versus the Breville's 13.62x, 14.0, 9x, 16.42. Not a huge difference, but something to consider for counter space.
And the Breville is heavier, 24.2 pounds compared to the Philips 21.6. But honestly, you're not going to be moving it around much.
True. So Philips is cheaper, simpler, good for iced coffee, and easy to clean. The Breville is more expensive, has a grinder, touchscreen, more customization, and heats up faster.
Basically, if you're serious about espresso and want all the features, the Breville is the way to go. If you want something reliable and easy to use and save some money, the Philips is a solid choice. It really boils down to budget and how much control you want over the process.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.